spin down. And altimeter data confirms that Ingenuity has performed its first flight, the first flight of a powered aircraft to another planet.
The Martian surface.
Taryn, go ahead and repeat that.
So the image we're looking at on the screen is the image from our onboard navigation camera showing us hovering above the surface of Mars. How incredible!
And that's its shadow, right, Taryn?
Yes, that's its shadow. So the onboard navigation camera points straight down, so we're seeing its shadow right now.
I can just hear Mimi in the background. This is real! This is real! It's so amazing.
Yeah, everyone's really feeling it now. So we're gonna wait for the Perseverance rover image of us. Are you guys seeing the Perseverance image?
Saw that, Taryn. So yes, explain what we just saw with the Perseverance image.
So the Perseverance image is showing us grounded at first. It's actually a video, which is great. It's grounded at first and then shows us hovering our 3 meters above the Martian surface and then touching back down. It's amazing, brilliant. Everyone is super excited.
So I would say it's a success. I would say.
I got to tear up the contingency speech, which I never practiced, but I was going to read.